Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily use the Effect Lab in your JBL Partybox on the go too. You can find the Effect Lab actually in the application called JBL Partybox. Once you tap that, you can find a lot of effects. Repeater, filter, Gator, echo, Wipeout, some, as you can see, effects. So to use that, you just tap on the option, for example, let it be this one, and the repeater.
Everybody put your hands in the air! Hey, hey, hey! Let's party! Who is ready to jump?
Let's go! Let's go!
Everybody put your hands in the air!
And that's how it works. I had no idea why it's involved and why it's just here, why it's implemented over here to the speaker, but if you find it useful, it's for you. Goodbye.